Hi guys. You or your child have not played Minecraft for a long time? There is a solution. Minecraft Constructors is a great opportunity to create an extraordinary world. Thanks to such sets, you can simulate a well-known game, even while away from your computer. Here, everything is exactly the same as in the game consists of blocks. Now your kid can easily build a farm, build a greenhouse or any other elements. Thanks to such sets, your children can independently come up with a plot of future events. Among these types, you can collect various locations: mine, farm, mountain cave, waterfall, village, jungle, triple house, figures, my world, a set of bricks, model, building blocks, toys, and much more. There are no restrictions here. You can also build something universal. It all depends on your imagination. Adults are sometimes very serious and worry about what people think of them. And those lucky ones who don't care about other people's opinions will gladly acquire these types of constructors for their own games, and absolutely for good reason, since scientists have found out that such a hobby gives anti-stress therapy and brain training. Just look at how cool the variety of details. Look at all types of models. I think you will definitely rate these constructors positively. Link in the description below the video. See you soon.